Why should I choose the loser's role, forbear to seek what gain I may, nor think of what the morrow holds, but brood o'er woes of yesterday? Why should my ears enraptured hear the plaintive notes of Philomel? Fellow bard arose, am I to lose me in sweet music's swell? For I too have the gift of song, which gives me courage to complain, but art is none but God himself, whom I in sorrow must arraign. I grant that we have earned repute as ever reconciled to fate, but to thee still a tale of pain I can no longer help narrate. Though we may seem like voiceless lyres, within imprisoned anguish cries its urge compels